Promoting positive health and well-being. This involves taking proactive steps to enhance various aspects of life and foster overall physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Before going to the details, please remember to subscribe this channel if you are new here. Do watch other videos in this channel, share it with students and those who love learning psychology. Thank you. Health, positive health, well-being. Health is a state of complete positive physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. That means you cannot say that you are healthy if you don't have any disease, but it is a complete well-being. Your thoughts, beliefs, expectations, and actions are important components of well-being and health. Positive health focuses on enhancing health along with curing illness to bring about well-being. The term health and well-being it describes separate but they are related states. Health influences well-being and conversely, well-being affects the health. Health incorporates both physical and mental conditions. Well-being is both a determinant and an outcome of health. The well-being includes physical and mental as well as emotional, social, financial, occupational, intellectual and spiritual elements. Elements of health and well-being. Think, feel and function. Think reflects the ability to understand, evaluate and solve problems in daily life. Experience optimism, express gratitude, acknowledge self-worth, and believe that life and social circumstances are to some degree under personal control, even while seeking personal growth, autonomy, and competence. For example, having a clear thinking, good memory, and problem solving skills. Cultivating optimistic and resilient thinking patterns. Being open to new ideas, adapting to change, and having a growth mindset. These all include in the element think. Then feel. It reflects a sense of security and a feeling of satisfaction with life. It involves vigor and vitality, feeling healthy and full of energy, and being able to flourish psychologically, balance negative and positive emotions, and maintain fulfilling social connections. For example, managing and expressing emotions in a healthy and constructive manner, experiencing joy, happiness, gratitude, and contentment in daily life. Function. It reflects physiological conditions within the body, along with the ability to meet personal and collective needs under changing conditions in society. It entails being accepted into and belonging to a community, providing and receiving support from others, and acting as a legitimate contributor to a common world. For example, the function, we already said that it reflects physiological conditions like having strength, endurance, flexibility for daily activities, feeling energetic, and maintaining high level of physical well-being. Then experiencing restful and rejuvenating sleep for optimal functioning. Promoting health and well-being is critical because determinants of the health, the physical, social, and economic circumstances in which people are born, live, learn, work, play, worship, and age, all these have disparate effects. At the individual level, interventions to promote health and well-being might focus on health behaviors, employment, housing, food security, or child care. These interventions also would apply to the community level because they target settings where people spend their time. It includes home, school, work, or places where they socialize, such as community centers and parks. The way people evaluate their own lives as a whole is one indicator of health and well-being. Now let's see different aspects of health, positive health and well-being. First one, physical health. It means engaging in regular physical exercise such as jogging, swimming or cycling, then maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and portion control, getting regular checkups and preventive screenings to monitor and maintain physical health, then practicing good hygiene habits such as brushing teeth, regularly washing hands, etc. Mental and emotional health includes engaging in stress reducing activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga, seeking therapy or counseling to address and manage mental health concerns, then cultivating positive relationships and social connections with supportive friends and family members, practicing self care. These self-care activities promote relaxation and self-compassion, such as taking bath, reading, or engaging in hobbies. Social well-being. It includes participating in community activities or volunteering to contribute to the well-being of others. Building and managing positive relationship with friends, family, and colleagues. Joining clubs, groups, or organizations that align with personal interests and values. Then participating in social events and gatherings to foster a sense of belonging and connection. Occupational well-being. Finding work that aligns with personal values and passions. Striving for a healthy work-life balance. It includes setting boundaries between work and personal life. Engaging in professional development and learning opportunities to enhance skills and knowledge. Feeling a sense of fulfillment and accomplishment in one's chosen career or occupation. Then comes spiritual well-being. Engaging in spiritual or religious practice that provide a sense of purpose and meaning. Spending time in nature or engaging in activities that promote a connection with the world and its beauty. Reflecting on personal values and beliefs and aligning actions with those values. Seeking opportunities for self-reflection, introspection, and personal growth. Then comes environmental well-being. It includes taking steps to reduce environmental impact, such as recycling, conserving energy, or using eco-friendly products. Spending time in nature and appreciating the natural environment. Creating a clean, organized, and peaceful living or working space. Advocating for and participating in efforts to protect and preserve the environment. So in this video, promoting positive health and well-being, we have learned about health, positive health, well-being, and the elements think, feel, and function. Then the importance of promoting health and well-being and various aspects of health and well-being. Promoting positive health and well-being is an ongoing journey and it requires attention and effort. In the upcoming video, we will learn about life skills. Hope you liked this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you and keep smiling.